Dear pet parents, welcome to Doggy Words YouTube channel. I am Dr. S.K. Pandey, working as a senior consultant in Doggy World. So today we are going to discuss about a very important topic. This is teething in pups. Every pup owner has this problem of teething in pups. So we have to understand that why this teething happens and what we can do to prevent it. First point, is it a natural process? Yes, teething is a natural process, so it is going to happen in all the pups. In some pups it will be less, or in some pups it will be more, depending upon maybe the size of the pup and the breed of the pup. So we should understand that this is a process going to happen in your pup, but you need to understand how to control it. So now next question is, why teething happens? As the teeth erupt, then there is a tendency to chew the objects. So the pet nibbles in whatever he gets. So this is what is teething, to take care of his requirement of the teething process which is happening. The most important thing we should understand that how we can decrease this habit of teething so that they don't nibble on the unwanted object. Instead, the teething requirement is fulfilled by the objects we want them to teeth on. So in this, the first point is we have to discourage and divert. What is discourage and divert? For example, if your dog is teething on some unwanted objects like furniture, etc., so you need to discourage him by saying, no, don't do it. But at the same time, he needs to teeth. So give him something which is good for him. So what is good for him? The best thing for a pup are the toys. So you can use many types of toys for this teething problem. Like you can use dumbbell, you can use ball, you can use rings, so you can use tug of war, you can use many things so that they nibble on it and their requirement for the teething decreases. So first thing what I told you, discourage, say no and give them something to nibble on which is very safe for them. Now what you can do, you can also just try some biscuits, dog biscuits which are very hard, crunchy, and you can try these things like chew sticks. See, I encourage toys a lot, because even if the dog nibbles on the toys, nothing is going to happen. But if you give him a lot of biscuits, you give him a lot of chew sticks, maybe it creates a indigestion in the stomach and he can vomit, he can have diarrhea. So please bear in mind, the best thing to nibble around to decrease the teething are the toys. So you should have a lot of toys. Now the important thing is that, does all pups play with the toys automatically? No. You have to create the craze in them. So how you create the craze? Play with them. A single pup cannot play, but if you are participating in the play, then it is a team. So when it becomes a team, so he is interested in playing. You can throw the ball, then he can fetch it, you can just encourage him to do this, you can reward him if he does, so you can play tug of war with him. So if you involve yourself, so he'll play with the toys. Sometimes I get the complaint, oh, my dog, I have given a lot of toys, he does not play. So what do? We just spread the toys and we think the pup will play with it. It does not happen. You have to just maintain that craze. You have to hide the toys, and sometimes when he's excited, you have to just put the toys and you have to play with him. Now, next thing what we can do is just provide them certain things which are eatable but hard to chew. Very good thing, vegetables. You can take carrot, you can take cucumber, you can take apple without seed, you can take papaya, hard papaya. So what you do, whenever you just you're preparing the vegetables and all, you can just put some carrot, you can give some cucumber, or when you are taking some fruits, you can give them apple or papaya. So when they chew on the hard objects, their requirement for the teething in unwanted object goes down. So this is how we can just decrease the teething process in your pups. Then what kind of food? Whatever food you are giving, try to give him dry food. If you are giving dog food, try to convert the pups into dry dog food that don't mix it with curd, don't mix it with water, give them dry, so that that tendency to chew the objects goes down. And also, if you give any vegetable, so it should be a bit harder, it should not be very what do you call smooth, where cooked, overcooked. It should be raw, it should be raw, so that he nibbles on that. If you give chapati, so it should be harder, so that he can chew on that. So you can just do this, so that the tendency will go down. And avoid boredom. Another point is, boredom causes lot of teething. So dog should be, every time he should be doing something, he should be doing some constructive thing. You have to take him out various times in a day, maybe 4-5 times. You need to give him a lot of exercise. So if you just exhaust his energy and avoid this boredom, you'll find that the teething goes down. So there are certain tricks by which you can reduce the teething, but it is a non natural process, it is going to happen. So the idea is that we have to discourage nibbling him on unwanted object and convert his attention to nibble the things what you want. Another good thing is train the pet. So training can be given. As I told you, all these points are training points, but you can train him for obedience training, so that okay, he needs to do this job, he does not need to do this job. So when you have to discourage, maybe if you discourage a dog for 100 times, then he get to know what is the thing he is not encouraged by the owner to do, and what is the thing he is encouraged by the owner to do. So training him again and again will take care of the problem, and his teething requirement will be taken care of, but at the same time he will not teeth on the things you don't want, unwanted objects. So I think these tips will help you in taking care of the teething requirement of your pet. For any further information, you can just log on to our Facebook account, or you can log on to our Insta account, and you can just go through the video channel, or you can meet us in person. Thank you very much, and we'll be meeting again to discuss another important topics.